Hi students, it's Professor Kelly. I hope this Monday finds you well. I want to talk briefly to you about navigating our class. I'm concerned, I can't think of a better word. I'm concerned that many of you are relying on our to-do list to get all of your information. And while the to-do list is very, very helpful at reminding you about when things are due and what's coming up, it's not intended to be the sole navigational system for the class. So I have the class organized by modules. And as I explained to you at the beginning of the semester, I want you to think of modules as units, and each unit contains the necessary assignments and lessons for the week. So I'm just going to take you through a module because I want you to see a few things. When you log into our class, the first thing you're going to see at our home, so if you're home, right, and you're logged into English 1A or English 1C, I'm going to share this with my English 1C students as well. What you're going to first see are my three most recent announcements. And I just have that up because I'm not sure what notification preferences you're using. I'm not sure if my announcements are going to your emails or not. So you can see my most recent announcements, and then you can see my introduction for the week. So this is my week 3 introduction. I give you some campus news or some current events, and then I just kind of outline the week for you. So it's just an introduction to the week. It's meant to be a helpful starting point for you so you can see what to expect. What I do expect is for you to click on modules. So if you click on modules, what you're going to see are the different weeks that we have this semester. Each semester, we're on a 16-week semester schedule. And I open up the weeks every Monday. So if you open up week 3, which was the last module that I opened up, you're going to see that I have it pretty well organized. And what my intention for you is that you go through each and every one of these. Keep in mind, not all of these are going to show up on your to-do list because not all of these are assignments that require submission. For example, under Read, Analyze, and Contribute, I simply have an introduction to chapters 3 through 5. And so I give you important information that I think you'll want to know or something that's going to make your reading a little bit more exciting. Not that you need it because it's such a good book. Other important things that I have are revision and writing pages. And so I have information, I have grammar lessons, for example. I don't have an assignment for this grammar lesson, but I put this in here so that you can watch it and then use it to revise paper number 1. And so think of these, since we're not in a class and in an actual class, and we're not meeting and I'm not lecturing at you like I would in a physical classroom, a lot of these pages are meant to replace that lecture. So I hope that makes sense. Please go through each and every one of these. It's what I do to explain everything. It's how you're going to become a stronger reader, a stronger writer, and be really successful this semester. All right, students, that's it. I'm over 3 minutes, and I like to keep my videos short. So if you have any other questions, just reach out to me on the site. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.